Did you know your Android phone has powerful features that most people never use? Some can make your phone faster, protect your privacy, and even save your battery. Today, I'll show you 15 hidden Android features you should start using right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Climax, where we simplify technology and help you get the most out of your devices. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips, AI tools, gadget reviews, and tutorials. Let's jump right in. Ever wanted to use two apps at the same time? You can watch YouTube while taking notes or chat on WhatsApp while browsing the web. Simply open recent apps, tap the app icon, and select split screen. It's a huge productivity booster. Android can automatically generate captions for videos, even when the video doesn't have subtitles. This is perfect when you're watching in a noisy environment or need accessibility support. Forget Bluetooth. Use Quick Share to send photos, videos, and documents to nearby Android devices much faster. No internet required. Large phones can be difficult to use. Enable one-handed mode to bring the top of the screen closer to your thumb. It's especially useful when you're on the move. Need to lend someone your phone? Instead of giving them full access, pin a single app so they can't open anything else until you unlock it. It's a simple but powerful privacy feature. Running low on battery? Battery Saver limits background activity and extends your battery life. It's a must-have feature when you're traveling or away from a charger. Want to reduce screen time? Digital Wellbeing shows how much time you spend in each app and lets you set daily limits, a great way to stay focused. Focus mode temporarily pauses distracting apps like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook while you work or study. One tap and distractions disappear. Google Lens is one of Android's smartest tools. Point your camera at text to copy it, translate languages, identify plants, solve math problems, or search for products. It's like having an AI assistant in your camera. Need to record your screen? Most Android phones now include a built-in screen recorder. No need to download another app. Many Android cameras can scan QR codes directly. Just open your camera and point it at the code. No extra app needed. Instead of typing long messages, tap the microphone icon on your keyboard and speak. Android converts your speech into text almost instantly. Lost your phone? Google's Find My Device helps you locate it. Make it ring, lock it, or erase your data remotely. It's worth setting up today. Running out of storage? Android can identify duplicate files, large downloads, and unused apps so you can free up space quickly. One feature everyone should know. Emergency SOS lets you quickly contact emergency services or trusted contacts if you're in danger. Take a few minutes to set it up. You may never need it, but you'll be glad it's there. Those are 15 hidden Android features that can make your phone smarter, faster, and safer. How many of these were you already using? Let me know in the comments. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech with Climax for more practical tech tips every week. Share this video with a friend who uses Android. They'll definitely thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.